Hello friends, welcome to Asana Labs. I'm David Andrew Miliotis with Ashtanga Yoga Orange County here in Irvine, California. And today we're going to look at hacks to Chaturanga and Up Dog, or modifications to Chaturanga and Up Dog. The fourth and fifth positions, Chaturanga and Pancha of the Surya Namaskar. Beginning in Samasthiti. Squeeze the legs together, draw the abdomen in, lift the chest, so the whole body becomes one big, straight, strong core, exhaling. The breath is always the inspiration for the movement. This is the most fundamental and most important aspect of doing your asanas, is to begin with the breath, let the breath be the inspiration for all your movements. Exhale. Strong, straight, one big body core. Ekam. Inhale. Arms up. Dve. Exhale. Trini. Inhale. Today, Chaturanga, we're going to step back, exhale, and our first modification, our first hack, is to put the belly on the floor. Keep the toes turned under. Keep the knees tight. Keep the core, the buttocks, the hips, and the low belly strong. And inhale, lift your legs. Our first modification of Up Dog is to use Shalabhasana, the locust position, as a substitute to your Up Dog. Come onto your knees and we'll transition, exhale, back into downward dog, shut position. Okay, as we come back into Chaturanga again to look at the next modification of upward dog, come back down onto the floor, keep the toes turned under, the knees tight, and as we come up, we're going to keep the elbows bent, we're going to stay on the floor, and we're going to do Cobra as an alternative to Up Dog. Exhale, lift back, step the feet forward, bring the heels down, bring the head down through the arms, look towards the belly. The third way of modifying our Up Dog is to use Cobra as a transition. Okay, when we're in Chaturanga, we can either let the whole weight of the body be on the floor, right? We can explore our shoulders, our chest, neck, and head to get into a nice, comfortable, healthy position where the chest is leading, right? And we're going to use the breath. We're going to inspire the movement with the inhalation into the upper chest and start to drag the body forward. The hands pull on the floor and the shoulder blades dig deep into the back, creating lots of movement in the thoracic, the upper spine. So the elbows stay a little bit bent so that the shoulders stay back on your back. No hunching the shoulders. We'll do it one more time. Exhale down onto the floor. Take either all the weight on the floor or half the weight on the floor. Adjust your shoulders. Take the breath deep into the upper chest with the knees tight. And inhale as you slide up. Concentrate to keep the shoulders back, down on your upper back. If you can keep the shoulder blades locked on your upper back, you can try to straighten the arms, but don't let the shoulders curl forward and up. Keep them back, chest pulled forward, legs strong, and then back, exhaling smoothly into downward facing dog. Head all the way down, look towards the belly, and that's all there is to it. The first modification, come down on the floor, keep the legs strong, use your breath all the way into the rib cage, and our first modification, lift into Shalabhasana. Our second modification, just an easy Cobra. Our third modification, with the breath from the Chaturanga position where the chest is open even when you're lowered down, is to use Cobra as a transition to get you into a healthier, more vibrant upward facing dog. Exhaling back to shut. Head down, look towards the navel center. Nabhi Drishti. And Sapta. Inhale. Bring the feet forward, lift the head, look to the nose. Ashtanga, exhale, pull the belly in, head to knees. Nava, strong knees, pull the belly in as you come up. Keep the legs strong as you look to thumbs. Angushta Drishti, exhale, Samasthiti. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next time. Om Shanti.